How do we create greater employee engagement and enhanced cultures in a world where employees and companies are becoming more and more disconnected? Here we have our personal whiteboard. Now, the personal whiteboard is a tool for employees to identify what's important to them in their life and pursue enhanced relationships, improved wellness, and look at how their work impacts all aspects of their life, and then also to embrace various different interests. So we have what we call 4 focused lenses, one of which is work, and it basically acknowledges the fact that we as human beings do much more than just work, and work can become a place that complements other areas of our life, our relationships, our wellness, and our interests. And that is our personal whiteboard. And ultimately, within the personal whiteboard, it's mostly individually based and confidential. But we do have a part here down in the bottom that we call offshoots groups. And these offshoots groups are opportunities for individual people within your company to get together. And they get together and they meet to create greater connections, greater bonding, and develop trust. You know the saying, know, like, and trust. So these offshoots groups, through technology, bring people together to, 1, get to know each other, 2, to hopefully like each other, and 3, to develop trust. So we do this through a series of topics that we have down here. So a series of topics, and you see topic 1, and those topics slide down for several topics. We have kind of an unlimited amount of topics here that we use in order to bring people together. And these topics, you can see, are really geared to helping people grow personally as well as professionally, and that leads to greater relationships or better relationships within the organization. So if we look at topic 6 here, what we do is you could envision a group of 3 or 4 people in your organization that make up a roots group. They get together on a periodic basis, let's just say every week, and they meet for 30 minutes, and they go into each topic, and we'll just dig into topic 6 here, behavioral headwaters. So simply just tap on that topic, and what we have here is we've given them a short little video. So it's a video that they watch, a 2 to 3 minute video, and then there's some questions to stimulate dialogue between the people. So if we look at this, here's the video. They would tap on the video, and then obviously some group discussion questions here that they can use in order to discuss this specific topic. So if we were to tap on the video, I won't play the video, but basically right here is a video that talks about behavioral headwaters, and this specific topic talks about changing our behaviors before they get out of control, basically, and become habits. And then, so they watch the 2 to 3 minute video, and then in their group, they talk about these group topics. How hard is it to modify behavior after it has become a habit? And so we basically just create some dialogue and conversation inside these groups so that people become more closely aligned and they start developing habits that help them personally, but also professionally. So you can see there's a series of questions here to stimulate dialogue. And that's what we're really trying to do, is we're trying to stimulate dialogue inside an organization to help people grow personally and professionally. So many times I see organizations talk about employee engagement, and everything they do for employee engagement is actually outside the company. But what we're talking about is helping employees to become more engaged in their work with their employees. And that's essentially what an offshoot group does. We're creating greater connections, bonds, and friendships inside the company through these offshoots groups. And that's how we start creating greater engagement in work, not outside of work. Create greater engagement inside of work that enhances culture and relationships for employees throughout the organization.